Mom, Dad, I feel like Ramadan just started, but now it's already halfway through.
Yeah, we've already finished 22 days. Only 8 left.
That's right. Ramadan is passing quickly, isn't it?
How do you both feel? Are you still excited like in the first few days, or is it getting harder?
I still love Ramadan, but fasting is getting harder. The first few days were fun, but now I feel more tired.
And sometimes I get sleepy when reading Quran. I was so motivated in the beginning, but now I feel like I'm not doing as much.
That's completely normal. Even adults feel that way. In the beginning, everyone is full of energy and excitement, but then we start to feel tired or slow down.
But guess what? The middle of Ramadan is a perfect time to refresh our hearts and recharge our motivation.
How do we do that, Dad?
Think about Ramadan like a race. At the start, you run fast. In the middle, you get tired, but if you keep going, the real rewards are at the finish line.
This is why the Prophet Muhammad taught us that Ramadan is divided into 3 parts. The first 10 days are for mercy, Allah showers us with His mercy. The middle 10 days are for forgiveness, Allah forgives sins. The last 10 days are for freedom from the hellfire, the most special days.
So right now we're in the freedom from the hellfire days?
Exactly. This is the time to ask Allah to forgive us for all our mistakes.
How do we do that?
By saying this special dua. Oh Allah, save me from the hellfire.
That sounds easy. Can we say it after every prayer?
Yes. And especially at suhoor and iftar, because duas at those times are very special. Let's do something fun. Let's each rate ourselves on how we've been doing in Ramadan.
Like a game?
Kind of. I'll ask questions, and you give yourself a score out of 10. Be honest. How well have you been fasting? How much Quran have you read? How often have you made dua? Have you tried to be extra kind and patient? Have you given charity or helped someone?
See? This helps us understand what we can improve in the second half of Ramadan.
But Dad, what if we feel like we're not doing enough? Ramadan is already halfway gone.
It's never too late. The best part of Ramadan is that even one good deed is multiplied.
Here are 3 simple things we can all do for the rest of Ramadan. Read just 1 page of the Quran daily, even if it's small, it adds up. Give a little charity every day, even sharing a date with someone is sadaqah. Say Astaghfirullah 100 times a day, it takes only a few minutes.
I can do that. Saying Astaghfirullah 100 times sounds easy.
And I'll read 1 page of Quran every night before bed.
That's the spirit. Remember, small actions done consistently are loved by Allah.
There's another reason to get excited. The last 10 nights of Ramadan are coming.
Oh yeah. That's when Laylatul Qadr is, right?
Yes. And we should get ready now so we don't feel lazy when the best nights come.
How do we prepare?
Start practicing extra prayers at night, even to extra rakahs. And make a dua list of everything you want from Allah.
Even things like a new bike?
Yes. You can ask for anything halal, big or small. Allah loves when we ask Him.
You know, I was feeling a little tired before, but now I feel motivated again.
Yeah. I don't want to waste the rest of Ramadan. I want to finish strong.
That's the spirit. Let's make a family promise. We will use the rest of Ramadan wisely. We will try to read Quran every day. We will pray extra prayers. We will make lots of dua and ask Allah for everything.
Insha'Allah.